At some point, Claude is going to touch files you didn't want changed. Here's how to undo it in 3 different flavors depending on how far the problem has gone. The middlest case is when Claude modified a file and you haven't committed it yet. You can type git restore file name, and that puts that file back to the last committed state. It's very targeted and nothing else is affected. If you want to discard all uncommitted changes at once, you could type git restore period and it resets the entire working tree. The next case, you may have committed the change, maybe even pushed it, and now you want to undo it. You can use git revert and then type the commit hash, and this creates a new commit that reverses what the bad commit did. Your history stays intact, nothing gets deleted, and it's safe to push. You can run git log -- one line first to find the hash of the commit you want to undo, then pass that hash with the git revert. And then the most aggressive option is git reset -- hard and then the hash. This moves your branch pointer back to a specific commit and throws away everything after it. It's fast, it's complete, and destructive. Only use it on a local branch that you haven't pushed yet. If you've already pushed and another machine or worktree has pulled, a hard reset creates a divergent history that you'll need a force push to fix, which is a mess worth avoiding. Now, the Claude specific scenario. Say Claude refactored across a dozen files. The build is broken and you're not sure what it even has changed. Before you try to undo things selectively, you can run git stash. That parks all uncommitted changes in a temporary holding area and puts your working tree back to the last commit. Then you can run git log one line to find the last known good commit. From there, you can do git restore -- source equals hash, which pulls specific files back from that commit, or you can type git stash drop and discard the whole mess if it's not salvageable. As a reminder, rolling back your code in Git rolls back what gets deployed the next time you run a deploy. It does not undo changes the already deployed version of your app has. Data that was created, table structures that were altered, automations that ran, all are still the same until you do another deploy. Code rollback and app rollback are separate problems. A later episode will cover how to think about the deploy side of this. Okay, thanks. That's a lot. Again, bye.